I want to highlight para 3, sir.
Ji, please read it if you want to read it or some particular portion from it.
May I read the whole, sir, if your
Ji,
lordships
please,
allow? Ji. That it is most respectfully and most humbly submitted that it is settled law of contempt that unless malintent is shown on behalf of the media or the press for the publication or broadcast of an allegedly contemptuous material, the said media/press entity cannot be charged for contempt. And
Let's pause here.
Ji.
Settled, what is the word you used? Settled law.
Ji.
No reference to any law.
Ji. Sir, wo
This is settled American law, settled European law, settled Russian law,
Sir, comparatively,
settled global law.
sir, because contempt proceedings are quasi-criminal
You
proceedings.
said settled law. Since I'm not aware of it, please enlighten me.
So this is Pakistani law, also other jurisdictions.
Why don't you mention it? Otherwise, in all other pleadings, you mention chapter and verse, PLD so-and-so, SCMR so-and-so. There's no mention of either
Sir,
precedent
I'll-
law, nor is there mention of any statute law.
I'll give a list of judgments, sir.
I don't want to read your list of
Ji.
judgments. I'm reading your statement that you filed in court.
वो निकाल लो इसमें.
चले आगे बढ़िए तो
sir.
कुछ भी नहीं हवा में है बात आगे बढ़ते हैं
In the context of this settled principle of the law of contempt regarding malintent, it is important to note.
अगेन द वर्ड आ गया सेटल्ड प्रिंसिपल ये अंग्रेजी लिखना है ये तो बगैर पढ़े आप लिख सकते थे
जी.
मेरी इतनी कदर है आपको इस अदालत की यू आर एन ऑफिसर ऑफ दिस कोर्ट बिफोर एनीथिंग एल्स
Sir,
एंड
I-
यू हैव साइंड इट
जी.
नॉट योर क्लाइंट
जी.
probably they didn't want to sign it
No, sir, I take full responsibility of this, sir.
ठीक है fine then
Yes.
we may have to issue you contempt notice
Yes, please.
जी.
अगर I take full
अच्छा
responsibility.
ओके चलिए
Full responsibility.
अब 3 दफा फुल कहने की जरूरत नहीं है एक फुल काफी
No, sir, this is to
Sorry,
counsel
please,
to
sir.
say कि
आगे
you
बढ़ते
don't
हैं।
take full responsibility.
आगे
I
बढ़िए
take
प्लीज आगे
complete
बढ़िए
responsibility.
आगे बढ़िए प्लीज
I am willing to face all consequences. Firstly, the allegedly contemptuous press conference
Abhi,
of
okay. Now, from your own mouth, I heard that this was contemptuous at least to the extent of one of them.
prima facie. I said prima facie.
Now, please don't start playing word games.
I said prima
Please
facie.
don't interrupt.
Ji.
You'd never said any such thing anyways.
Sir,
Proceeding
I did.
further, allegedly contemptuous press conference.
The reason
okay, now
is-
suddenly you've got a change of heart.
No,
Continue
sir.
reading, please.
Because I cannot
Please
prejudice
continue.
anyone's case.
Please
sir.
continue reading.
Ji. Allegedly press conference of Senator Faisal Wauda and MNA Mustafa Kamal were broadcast live on the internet as well as the social media forums, and extensive extracts of it were also published in different newspapers. This fact was admitted in the registrar's note dated
We know
16/5/2020,
that. Yes.
which gave rise to
Why
the
are you writing something we know?
Sir,
आगे
but,
बढ़िए.
Secondly, this honorable court has rightly not issued notices to various internet and social media forums as well as various newspapers for broadcasting, publishing and circulating the alleged contemptuous press conference. Therefore, in view of the aforesaid settled
Law of contempt.
regarding malintent, the universal broadcast, publication and circulation of the alleged press conference clearly eliminates any notion of malintent on behalf of the channels, because otherwise simultaneous malintent would have to be presumed on behalf of all such aforementioned internet, social and print media entities, which would not be rational. It is important.
Acha, you are now teaching us rationality.
Yes.
Good.
It is important to mention here that the channel does not share the views of both Senator Faisal Wauda and MNA Mustafa Kamal and condemns any instances of alleged contempt by anyone, but the channel has only broadcast the live press conference in the public interest as it is their right and duty under Articles 19 and 19A, Constitution 1973.
Right and duty.
Ji, sir.
Okay. Now,
Duty is under
please,
Article 19.
don't interrupt
Ji,
all
sir.
the time.
Ji,
Let me complete a sentence
Ji,
and
ji,
we can hear you at length.
Ji, sir.
Okay. First of all, you said does not share the views of both so and so and so and so.
जी 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 जी
Where did you say this in your broadcast?
सर ब्रॉडकास्ट में तो नहीं कह
The
सकते
world has seen your broadcast. You can say these views are not shared by this TV channel and its management or whoever runs it.
जी
Did you do it or not do it?
I don't think we
Did you do it or not do
No,
it?
I didn't. We didn't do it because
Then
it
why
was
are you writing something which is not true,
सर मैं
which is
तो
not backed by a fact?
मैं तो अभी की बात कर रहा हूँ
अभी की क्या बात है?
कि ये जो
मतलब आप ये अच्छी बात है, पूरे दुनिया को आप दिखा दें एक बात
जी
और फिर खामोशी से आके सुप्रीम कोर्ट में कह दें ये मैं इनके व्यू से एग्री नहीं करता हूं। माशाल्लाह, कितनी खूबसूरत बात है। अब हम आपको आईना दिखाएंगे, चलें। और ये ड्यूटी, आप ये ड्यूटी बता दें कि आपकी ड्यूटी है कि हर प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस आप लाइव ब्रॉडकास्ट करें। ये कौन सी ड्यूटी आइन में है इसका
नहीं,
तस्करा?
ड्यूटी
आपने लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया है
ड्यूटी अंडर
राइट एंड ड्यूटी।
अंडर आर्टिकल 19A सर
What is the law? What is the relevant law and what are your SOPs? Can you telecast every press conference live?
There
Or
is
you
no
or first you require the contents of the press conference?
No.
How does it operate? Anybody can come forward and say whatever he want to say.
we
How
are
can you be so irresponsible, the media, that anybody comes forward and say anything for anybody and goes away? So there must be some laws, there must be some SOPs. What is the procedure adopted when you put somebody on live or everybody is watching whatever he is saying? So आपने वो precautions किए थे? Whether both these conferences were live?
yes yes
So what tempted you to bring these two gentlemen live and say whatever they wanted to say, which prima facie, according to your opinion also, are contemptuous in nature? So what is the responsibility of the media? Or they just want to demonstrate something that, look, we are helpless, somebody came to us, we are paid for it, and we have shown those press conferences live? There has to be some sort
कम
of...
से कम वो जो दो शख्स हैं उन्होंने कम से कम आके इतराफ किया है गलती है और माफी मांगी है। आप नहीं करते हैं, फर्क है आप दोनों में। ठीक है, बहुत लोगों से हमसे भी गलती होती है, हम भी इंसान हैं। अभी आपने हमें जजमेंट में भी हम कह देते हैं गलती होगी, कभी रिव्यू में भी हमारी गलती हो जाती है। आप गलती नहीं मानने के लिए तैयार है, आप क्या कहते हैं सीना जोरी करने पे उतरे हुए हैं। ठीक है, अब आपकी ड्यूटी है। अच्छा, अब आपकी ड्यूटी है, आप जाइए कोई पागल खाने में कोई आदमी प्रेस कॉन्फ्रेंस कर रहा है, जाइए कवर कीजिए उसको, आपकी ड्यूटी है।
सर
या आपने क्या लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया? आपकी ड्यूटी है।
मैं एक्सप्लेन कर
कल कोई आदमी हिंदुस्तान में कोई पाकिस्तान के खिलाफ बात कर रहा है, आपकी ड्यूटी है इसको कवर करें और इसको रिले करें। ठीक है, ये आपकी क्या ड्यूटी का लफ्ज इस्तेमाल किया आपने?
मैं एक्सप्लेन करूं
मुझे एक्सप्लेन की जरूरत नहीं, मुझे ताज्जुब है आपके अल्फाज का चुनाव से।
नहीं, मैं एक्सप्लेन कर देता हूं। अंडर आर्टिकल 19A द राइट,
पढ़ लीजिए जरा
जी।
Perhaps they exercise their right of freedom of speech, but we are talking about and we are concerned about the freedom of press. They are two different things.
जी